Today we're working on a Toyota Landcruiser. Remove the covers on the ends of the factory rails. Remove the center cover. Lightly unbolt the factory rail from the roof with a 10mm socket. Be cautious not to push down too hard as you use the socket, as the nuts underneath may be damaged. Remove the factory rail. Unbolt and remove the factory mount from the rail and roof. Before installing the rack on the roof, bolt the wind deflector to the front of the rack. Secure the wind deflector to the rack with bolts, washers, and nuts. Remove the factory bolt cover following the arrows printed. Use a 11mm socket to remove the factory bolts. Silicone the bolt holes. Place the tradesman mounts and mount cover over the silicone with the holes of the mount cover facing the mount. Repeat for all bolt holes. Use bolts, split washers, and washers to secure the new mounts and covers. Use a hex key to tighten the bolts. Repeat for all mounts. These are the Wedgetail rails we're going to be using. Using bolts and washers, secure the rails to the mounts by hand. Use a hex key to tighten the rail bolts. Tighten uni-strut nuts to the rails by hand so they are still loose. Line up the uni-strut nuts perpendicular to the rail. Lower the rack onto the roof so the uni-strut nuts fit in between the channels of the rack. Center the rack on the roof. Ensure the rack does not connect with the boot doors before tightening. Tighten the uni-strut nuts by hand. Finish tightening the uni-strut nuts with a spanner. Tighten tie-down eyelets to the corners of the rack. They are sold separately to the